My trading journey hasn't been exactly a victory lap. It has been riddled with failures, stress, and at times a deep level of depression. There were moments where I would just stare at the charts, stare at my screen, questioning everything, on the edge of giving up. But guess what? I did it. And that's why I am here. Now, this video is not about bragging about some magical formula whatsoever. This video is about the struggle and the beliefs that kept me going throughout my journey. I'm here to tell you that even if the market throws the worst at you, even when you feel burnt out, there's still a way forward. With that being said, let's tap into a few things I found myself learning throughout my journey. First thing you need to accept is that the market does not care about your feelings. Now, this may sound harsh, but the market is designed by a complex economic factor. You can't come to the chart with wishful thinking, not knowing what you are doing, hoping that this is what's gonna happen inside the market, right? No, that's not how it works. And that right there is a bitter pill I had to find myself swallow. The only way you can come to the charts is based off logical thinking, right? Logical thinking is your strategy, your methodology, the thing that is giving you an edge in the market. Also, that losses is inevitable. Guys, listen, you are going to have losses inside your journey. In fact, losses is the only thing that is guaranteed to you inside this trading journey. Keep in mind that every successful trader is experiencing losses. There's no such thing as a strategy that is 90% correct, 99% correct, 100% correct. Or except for if you came to the charts, you opened up your MetaTrader, you took one trade, and then after that you just find yourself leaving the market, right? Then only you might have that actual 100% win rate. But if you are really inside the market, you are really finding yourself doing what you are doing, you will realize that losses is all part of the game, and losses is the one thing that will always be there. Every successful business is experiencing losses till this day. And what is a loss? A loss is an expense. An expense is something that you can control. So if you take a loss inside your trading, it's fine. That is something that you can control. But the moment you are finding yourself coming to the charts blindly and just lose everything, that is your own fault. You don't have the necessary education just off yet. With losses, you will find yourself analyzing the market. See how you can find yourself making it better, right? How can you make your trade better so that you can find yourself coming back and bounce back harder, right? You take that one step back and you take 5, 6, 7 steps forward. Each and every single day, if you find yourself taking a loss, learn from it, come back tomorrow and try to improve it. Now, do you know what is the most valuable asset you can find yourself having inside your trading journey? And something that many people are talking about, but this is things that, you know what, everything that I might mention is coming with time. Don't beat yourself up, right? And your valuable asset you can find yourself having inside your trading journey will be having discipline. How are you going to utilize discipline? You are going to utilize discipline by documenting your trades, writing down everything that you find yourself making mistakes of. Try to improve those mistakes, because with all of those mistakes, you are now building up a plan of specific things you want to see happen within the charts. This can literally be, when are you going to come to the charts to do your analysis? When is it that you will find yourself seeing liquidity inside the market? When will there be volume so that you can find yourself moving with volume? How are you going to find yourself reducing stress? Just in general, how are you going to find yourself having some peace of mind inside your journey? So with discipline comes a plan. So the moment you find yourself having your plan, your system, everything in place, this is when things will become a little bit more easier inside your trading journey. Every successful trader has a plan on when to come to the charts, how to execute. If you want to find yourself learning or just building up a plan in general, find yourself looking at my trading videos. You will see that I'm coming to the charts a specific time and I'm looking out for a specific things, because that is inside my trading plan. But this last one right over here is most important. You need to find yourself having belief, and in able to have belief, you need to believe in a higher power, right? Because everything that you are envisioning, that dream that you are finding yourself having, that beautiful house you are seeing, that beautiful car you are seeing, your beautiful family that you are seeing, the man above gave you that. And if you just believe and just take the leap of faith and just follow these steps and believe that you can do it, you eventually will find yourself doing it. A year from now, you can look back and you will see that you are better than where you were. 2 years from now, you can come back and you will see that you are better than where you were. Most people are portraying trading to be something that you are just gonna get it, and in the next month you will find yourself having everything you would like to have. In the next year you will have everything you would like to have. Is that the reality of things? Is that, or let me put it like this, is that the reality for each and every single one? No, it is not. No, it is not. So inside your trading journey, you need to have belief, and you need to believe in a higher power. The higher power gave you the vision. All you need to do is just follow. Just follow. Take the leap of faith. Build up everything that you find yourself going through. Let that be a lesson. Because all those failures, all those setbacks you are experiencing will build you into a better person at the end of the day. And that right there is what many people are avoiding. So it's your choice whether you would like to avoid it or embrace it. And I will say embrace it. Okay, I'll say embrace it. So if you feel discouraged whatsoever, make sure to hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and follow me on this journey. Takeover Forex Institute was made for each and every single one of you to make sure that we all have a successful journey and that we all learn from each other. Much love from me, your boy D. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. I'm out.